AI video has often felt more like a novelty than a dependable production tool. We have all watched clips where motion looks unnatural or faces distort as soon as the camera starts moving. With the release of Kling 3.0 from Higgsfield, that gap is finally closing. Kling 3.0 is a major step forward for creators who want cinematic precision. It is a high-end video engine designed for professional production pipelines, capable of turning scripts, images, references, and audio into organized cinematic sequences through a native multimodal system. Within a single unified model, it blends multi-shot direction, built-in audio, strong visual consistency, and up to 15 seconds of continuous generation. Today on AuraTech, we are exploring what makes Kling 3.0 different and how it can elevate your creative workflow. After logging into the Higgsfield.ai, you can see the updated Kling 3.0 interface. What separates this system from earlier models is its native multimodal design. Instead of predicting frames independently, it controls visual consistency and transformation as part of its training foundation. It supports text to video, image to video, and reference to video within the same environment, along with advanced editing and scene adjustments. This results in more precise control and outputs that better match your prompts. The interface is streamlined for speed, helping creators move from an initial concept to a polished export far quicker than traditional workflows. What gives Kling 3.0 its professional feel is its unified architecture. Many AI video tools handle scenes as isolated frames, which causes visual drift and broken continuity. Kling 3.0 coordinates generation, transformation, and consistency automatically before export. This becomes especially noticeable in action-heavy or physics-driven scenes. Motion, lighting, and material interaction follow believable real-world behavior. Whether you are rendering a robotic mechanism, a fast-moving vehicle, or environmental elements like smoke and debris, every component reacts naturally to movement. Reflections remain stable, shadows behave logically, and textures keep their integrity. These qualities convert random AI footage into convincing cinematic sequences, which is why the engine is described as production grade. Another major advancement is storytelling consistency. Kling 3.0 introduces multi-shot generation with enhanced element locking. It can produce multi-shot sequences in a single pass while automatically controlling shot scale, camera angles, and transitions. Characters, props, and scene details can be locked so they stay stable through zooms, pans, and complex camera motion. A character can move through a futuristic environment and then appear in a close-up without changing identity, wardrobe, or lighting logic. This continuity allows scenes to develop as cohesive sequences rather than stitched fragments. For creators building narratives, advertisements, or cinematic worlds, this level of stability effectively turns the system into a digital cinematographer that preserves visual identity across shots. Kling 3.0 Omni builds on this with improved reference accuracy and more expressive character performance. Its Omni native audio feature lets you add dialogue directly inside the model with character-level voice control. It supports multiple languages and produces natural lip sync aligned with real speech timing. More importantly, facial expressions adapt to emotional tone. Subtle movements around the eyes and mouth reflect tension, stress, or calm delivery. For creators producing conversations or multi-character scenes, this removes the need for external dubbing and keeps the workflow unified. Another important improvement is native text rendering. AI video has historically struggled with readable lettering, often producing distorted characters. Kling 3.0 generates clean, structured text for signs, subtitles, and interface elements with minimal distortion. This is crucial for advertisements, storefront visuals, and UI mockups where clarity is essential. The model also supports flexible continuous generation from 3 to 15 seconds without losing structural stability, while many systems degrade after only a few seconds. Kling 3.0 maintains visual coherence across longer takes. This enables smooth tracking shots, push-ins, pullbacks, and layered action sequences while preserving detail from the first frame to the last. At its foundation, Kling 3.0 is not just about impressive visuals. It delivers a professional workflow that treats creators like filmmakers rather than simple prompt users. Higgsfield is currently offering Kling 3.0 Unlimited with a 70% discount on premium plans, available through higgsfield.ai/Kling-3.0. All key links, the complete user guide, and advanced prompt tips are available in the description and pinned comment. Use the creator link to begin exploring what the engine can produce in your own projects. Kling 3.0 is officially live and built for serious production work. Experiment with the multi-shot features, test the audio tools, and push the physics engine in your next sequence. Let me know which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the future.